welcome to Lulu University. This week we are coming to you live and direct from Book Expo 2018. So since school's out for the summer, we're going to do a guest lecture series, and this week we're going to talk to Lynette Greenfield. So let's see what she has to say. Our very first professor all the way here from Australia is Lynette Greenfield. You've heard me talk about her a million times. I talk about her all the time. She's the best. And so today she's going to tell us a little bit about how she does her publishing and her process and drop some knowledge on us. So Lynette, thank you so much for being here. So we'll start with something easy. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm a mother of 4. I'm from Australia, and I've been writing since I was 12 years old, writing my whole life. Never stopped writing is what I do. And I run a cake business as well, and I homeschool a special needs child. So I've got a lot going on, but writing's just always there.
Well, so tell us what brings you to BEA.
Oh, well, I'm here today mostly to thank fans. That was the main focus of today, to represent Lulu, of course, which I keep saying over and over again is a dream come true, and that, 5 years ago my husband said, "What do you want out of your career?" And I said, you know what, if Lulu ever had a booth, I would just love to be at their booth. Give me that and I'm done. That is all that I would need. So being asked to come and do this is just, you have no idea. It's just unbelievable.
Well, it's great to see you. You're just as lovely in person as you are on the interweb. So it's great to have you. So tell us a little bit about how you got here and how you got to this point. So in the beginning of your writing journey, how did you discover self-publishing and how did you come to Lulu?
I really wanted to choose a company where I could be really hands-on, because with other publishers I had to give them files and then wait to see the result, wait to see the cover, wait to edit content, and it cost a lot of money as well to do that, and I found that really frustrating. To be able to have creative control was really important, and that feeling of being able to upload something, see the result immediately, and then have that book in your hands literally a few days later is so satisfying. And then just being able to give it to somebody and having that whole journey available to you right there is something that I've never found with any other publisher, even self-publisher. The whole process is so accessible and so easy to use. So I ended up with Lulu because the cover quality is better than a lot that I have tried, and just having the freedom and control over the choices that I want to make. One of them ended up being adapted to film. Yes. It shows that you can do it this way. It is possible that you don't have to conform to what a traditional publisher is asking you to do.
Yeah, exactly. So you've been on this journey for a long time, and you've obviously learned a lot. And so is there anything that kind of in the beginning that you wish that you knew that, now in hindsight, obviously you've learned a lot, but is there anything that you wish you knew when you started the journey?
Probably covers. My fans will remember that my covers were photographed by me and edited by me, and they looked really, really beautiful on the computer and everything, but they were very dull and they weren't poppy, and some of them were even black and white. And while they were lovely and everything, the first BA that I came to, I was noticing other covers and I was watching people and how they reacted to the covers, and realised the importance of a really dynamic cover. And if I had known that in the beginning, I know that they would have had more of an impact on people, and I would have been able to market a lot easier. So once I did that, everything just exploded. People just, oh wow, look at that cover, what is the story about? And that's just the natural next question that they ask. So yeah, that was probably the biggest thing.
For people that are just starting out on their self-publishing journey, what advice would you give them? What is the thing that you would want to pass along to someone who's maybe in the beginning or maybe isn't sure kind of where to go or how to get started? What advice could you offer that person?
Well, choose a company such as Lulu to try. If you've already written a manuscript, Lulu is free to try. This isn't a company that is purely here to just make money off people. They're here to help, and that's the feeling that I get. Anyway, you guys are just constantly what can we do? How can we, help you along in the process? And every time I mention something to one of you guys about something, on the website or something, it's oh yeah, let's get that information out. It's about helping authors And a lot of companies don't do that. It's just about the money. So
Yeah.
it's do your homework, have a look, but why not? Like, why not try it and you'll be amazed? It's amazing.
Well, Lynette, thank you for being part of our Lulu U guest lecture series. So all of you, there will be a test after this, so hopefully Lynette will pass you. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.